Hi, little girl. Hi, Mommy. Happy Halloween.
Are we going to Mimi and Papa?
We're going to Mimi and Papa's house. Papa's truck. Okay, come on.
What's out there? Something?
Spooky.
You heard a knock?
Here we go.
Knock on the door. No, no.
Trick or treat.
Hi, trick-or-treater. And what's your name? Brina? Wow, how pretty. And what are you? Are you fairy? What are you? Are you my fairy godmother? How pretty. So cute.
Turn on the light, Dad.
Turn it off.
On.
The porch light?
Yeah.
Look at Bree.
Isn't she cute? It's a trick-or-treat. He's got to send some pictures to Auntie Lois. Come here.
Are you trick or
You
treating?
say trick-or-treat.
Happy Halloween, everybody.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Get some candy, Brenda.
You just trick-or-treat. Trick-or-treat. No tricks now, okay? Can I put that in your bucket? I mean, in your pumpkin?
Ooh, all kinds of good stuff. Popcorn.
That's what
Yay.
it is.
Wow. Did you read that?
Brenda, can you say thank you?
You're welcome.
Brenda, can you say Happy Halloween?
Thank you. Thank you.
Happy Halloween, everybody. Happy Halloween, everybody.